No. Comments. Comments in C++. Comments are from reader, not the compiler. There are two types: single line or multiple line. Single line or multiple line. This is a C++ program. It's print the sentence. Welcome to C++ programming. This is the statements of single line give the output result in C++. C++. Multiple lines we have to write, give the statements in multiple lines. You can include comments that can occupy several lines. This is the multiple lines in comments. Comments or read compiler. There are two types. Number one, single line. Number two, multiple line. This is as a compiler, two types. So, and next, special symbols. Last class discussions about special symbols. Special symbols very important. Special symbols very important. Special symbols place, addition, subtractions, multiplications, divided by, comma, semicolon, question marks, greater than, less than equal, greater than equal. This is the special symbols. Comparison, the we are taking variables value, sum of two numbers, add variable value a equal to 10, variable value b equal to 20. This is called as a variable value. This is called as a variable value. Variable sum of given values. C is a store variable value in C. C is a store variable value in C. C equal a plus b. Sum of given values is 20. Give the output result is 20. Yes, 20. This is called a value of special symbol plus. Plus. The addition, subtractions and multiplications. Right. This is addition symbol. And next one, and go for the subtractions. A variable equal to 10, b variable equal to 20 and c equal to a plus b. This is a minus b, sorry, a minus b, a minus b, a minus b. This is a subtractions. Give the result answer. This is called a special symbols come operators. Special symbols come operators. Addition, subtractions, multiplications and divided by. Give the result a equal a minus b. C storage variable. Give the output result. C is the storage result. Store the variable value and give the result. This is called as a subtraction. This is called as a subtraction. Subtractions then closes. And next one, multiplications. Multiplications also give the variable value. Multiplications give the variable value. And next subtractions. A equal to 6, b equal to 5 and c equal to a subtraction b. This is called as a give the value of both value can multiplications, give the result in C and store the C value, give the output result. This is called as a operators. They will be change operators. A program, it's the same methods, you can change plus, minus, multiplications, divided by. This is called as a operators. And special symbols also use some programs, you can take symbols give the result, output result, and this is called as special symbols. Comparisons of both values, it can take values, comparison of values in greater than, less than equal, greater than equal, and equal. This is a special symbols. Reserved words, keywords. Keywords is a important topic. Reservoir words, keywords are words symbol including integer, float, double, char, constant, void, return. This is called as a keywords. One C++ keywords. Integer, it's a number. Integer, it's a number. Take only for the integer value 0. Integer value can 0 to 9. This is called as a integer value. And next integer value 0 to 9, it's a integer value. And next one, float value can be take only for the points values. Okay. Points value, double, char, and next class discussions in topics discussion. Data types, a set of values together with a set of operators. Data types, a set of value together with a set of operators. C++ data types into three categories. C++ data types, there are three categories. Number one, C++ data types. Simple structured pointers. There are three types categories. Data types, simple structures, pointers. There are three types data types. This is a simple category of three types of category in C++. Data types, simple structures, pointers. Simple data types. Three categories of simple data types. Integers, it's a number without a decimal. Simple data types, three categories of simple data types. Integers, it's a number without a decimal. And next one, floating points, decimal numbers. Floating points, it's a number, decimal numbers, no, points values. Next one, enumeration data types, user defined data types. Enumeration data types, it's a user defined data types. user defined data. Integer, it's a 0. Integer, it's a 0 to 9. Floating points, decimal number. Decimal number, it's a points values. This is a decimal number. Floating points. Floating points. Okay, right. And next, enumerated data types. Enumerated types, user defined data types. User defined data type. User defined data types. Simple data types. Simple data types, integer, floating points, enumerated data types. Integer, floating points, enumerated data types. Enumerated data types. And there are simple data types, there are integer, floating point, enumerated data types. Enumerated data types, simple data types. Simple data types continued. Simple data types continued. Simple data types. Integer data types are integer data types are further classified into 9 categories. Integer data types classified 9 categories. 9 categories in integer data types. 9 categories. Char, short, int, long, bool, unsigned char, unsigned short, unsigned int, unsigned long. This is a 9 categories data types. Simple data types, it's a 9 categories data types. 9 categories data types. 9 categories data types. Char is a text or character. It will be take only character. Integer data types, it's a char, short, int, long, bool, unsigned character, unsigned short, unsigned int, unsigned long, unsigned long. This is the simple data types. Simple data types, it will be take integer value of memory allocate for the 3 simple data types. Value of memory allocate, value of storage, value of data storage in memory allocate for 3 simple data types. Number 1, data types, values, storage in bytes. Storage in bytes, 3 categories. Data types, values, storage in data types. Integer, it's a number. Minus 21, 47, 48, 36, 48 to 21, 47, 48, 36, 48. This is value of storage bytes 4. Integer data type, it's a 4 bytes. 4 bytes. Boolean data types. Turn true and false. True and false. Boolean data types, true and false. Is true and false. Value of true and false. Value of true and false. Boolean data types, values, true and false. Storage in bytes 1. 1 byte storage. 1 byte storage. This is the Boolean. Char. minus 128 to 127. It's a character. Length of size data, it's a storage value of data types, integer data types, value and storage. Character 128 to 127, 1 bytes storage space. This is the 3 value of memory allocate for 3 simple data types. 3 simple. Different compiler may allow different range of value. Different compiler and different range values in simple data types, data values, memory allocate, 3 simple data types. This is the simple data types. And int example, give the values of number and plus values or minus value. Positive integer do not need a minus plus sign. No common or used within a integer. Minus plus values or minus value comes or used for separating items in a list. Separate number of a list, or positive value or negative value, integer value or positive value or negative value, or plus value minus value. It can be store in, it can be take common plus value minus value, separate items in a list, right, in a list. Okay, right. Next one, Boolean data types. Boolean data types, 2 values are true or false. Boolean data types, two values, true and false. Manipulate logical Boolean expanses. Manipulate logical Boolean expanses. Values are true and false are called a logical value. A logical value Boolean expanses values true and false as called a logical values. Boolean value true and false are received words. Give the output results. Received words give the or true values or false values in received words. Right. This is the Boolean data types. There are 2 types, true or false. Manipulating logical Boolean expanses are true or false, or called a logical value. Boolean true and false are received words. This is called as a Boolean values. Boolean values and char data types. Char data types. Character. It's a letters. Letters means A to Z. Character or string. Char data types. The smallest integer data types used for character. Character, it's a letters and digits and special symbol. Characters, it's a letters, digits, special symbol is a character. Okay, right. Next, character letter, it's a to Z. It's a small letters or big letters. It's a character. Or string or text. String also character, it's a to Z, string it's a to Z, text also it's a to Z. This is called as a letters. And next one, this is the main thing. Next, digits. What is digits? Digits it's a 0 to 9. This is called a digits. Digits it's a 0 to 9. Okay, this is the character of using for characters, letters, digits. And next one, it's a next one, special symbol. Last discussions about special symbols. Special symbols means this is the addition, subtractions, multiplications, divided by, equal, not equal, greater than, less than equal, greater than equal, and question marks. This is the special symbols. Last topic discussions about special symbols. This is the use of character, depend on letters and digits and special symbols. This is used for char data types, using for character data types. And next one, this is the next one. Each character is included in a single quotation. Each character include it's a single quotation. Single quotation, for example, you can write down any programs is char data types taken, you can name and so is single quotation, comma, and a big letter and small letter and quotations, comma, into, comma, single quotations, comma, and plus, dollars, ampersand. This is the quotations of a single quotation. Okay, this is the character of including in single quotations of char. A black space in a character and is written with a space left button, the single quotation. It's a single quotations. Can give the any letter, we have to take single quotation, comma, between the one letter to left button, you can between the single quotations, comma, single quotations, comma, single quotations, comma. It's a taken quotations of values. This is called a character data types. Character data types. The smallest integer data types used for character, letter, digits, special symbols. Each character is including in a single quotations. Okay, character we will be take only single quotations, comma, single quotations, comma, and then black space is a character and is written with a space left between the single quotation. This is called as a character data, char data types. And next one, floating point data types. Floating point data types, it's a points value. It's a points value. Floating value data types, it's a points value. Points value. Right. This is a points value. C++ uses scientific to represent a real number. Represent of real number. This is called as a floating point notation. This is example for real number printed in C++ floating value, floating point value. This is the scientific representations of a real number in floating points. There are a real number and a floating point number. This is real number and floating point number. 75.924, it's a real number. 7.5924, it's a floating point number. 0.18, it's a real number. 1.800, it's a floating point number. 0.00000453, floating point 4.53000, it's a floating point number. It's a floating point number. Minus 1.485 minus 1.48200, it's a real number, floating point number. Floating point data types. 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 There are three types: floating point, double, long double. There are 3 points. Floating point data type is double, long, integer, long double. This is the 3 types of floating point data types. So floating point representation, any real number, representations any real number, range minus 3.4e plus 38 to 3.4e plus 38, 4 bytes value. This store bytes value can be store data. Double representation, any real number, range minus 1.7e plus 308 to 1.7e plus 308, 18 bytes. It's a data range we take in value. On most never compiler data types, double and long double are same. Double or long double same. This is called as a floating data types. Floating data types then be stored in bytes. Range of values in floating value range and double range value bytes, 8 bytes, and same double and long double range, it's the same data bytes. It can be stored in floating point data types. Floating point data types. Floating point data types, maximum number of significant digits. It's a floating point. Maximum number of significant digits, decimal place. Decimal place from float value is 7 or 6 or 7. Decimal value or 6 or 7. It's a decimal value 6 or 7. Maximum number of significant digits for double is a 15. Double, it's a 15 range of values. Well, this is called a significance of digits for a double is a bytes. The maximum number of signification digits float value are called a single float value are called as a single, double value are called as a double. percent. This is the floating point data types: maximum number, decimal number, maximum number significations of double or maximum number significations of digits, floating and double. It's a floating values. This is the main things of floating values. It is next topics: arithmetic operator and operator procedures. Procedure. Arithmetic operator, it's a mathematical calculations methods. Arithmetic operator, it's a mathematics operator procedure. C++ arithmetic operator, C++ arithmetic operator, C++ arithmetic operator, C++ arithmetic operator, addition plus minus subtraction minus into multiplication divided by percentage of module operator. This is the 5 types of arithmetic operator in this mathematical methods operators in procedure. Mathematical operator in procedure. C++ arithmetic operator. Addition as a take variable value sum of 2 digits. Values of given. Last topic discussions about special symbols taken, plus subtractions, multiplications, divided by. This is the operator value is sum of add 2 numbers or 3 numbers and give the programs in C++, and some subtractions. It's a one number to another number, they give the result in subtraction minus values. And multiplications, both value can multiplications in these symbols, divided by and give the decision 2 numbers and modules of given percentage. For example, arithmetic operators, then they will be take is a value of a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. This is the c equal to a plus b. Then so this is arithmetic operator can take addition sum of 2 digits program in C++, value a, variable a and variable b, they will be store in C also variable. C in both value can store in C, give the output result in C equal a plus b and give the result is C. Output results is C is the output results, and C equals 30. This is the result in addition operators. Both value add sum of 2 digits in this value addition. And next value is subtraction. Subtractions means both value can decide in give the result same value. You can take variable a comma 10, b comma 20. Okay, right. C equal to a minus b. This is the subtractions of values can give the C values is result output. C give the output result C is store in C, give the result in C variable. C variable values can give in store. Store the C variable value. This is the this is the subtractions, and subtractions value, right? The next one, multiplications. Multiplications is a star means they will be take into symbol, you know that, into symbols, right? The value of a variable equal to 2 and value of b equal to 5, and value of store in c equal to a into b. This is the give the c equal is 10. This is the result of given multiplication. Multiple value. Multiple is a into means multiplications. Multiplications give the 5 to the 10, give the variable value. We have to change in this program just like that, only symbols. You can change only for the symbols, can give at the same program structures. Program structures same, we have to change only operators. Just like that, just like that symbols they will be changed. Addition, subtractions, multiplications, or divided by or percentage of given values in the result output. So many variables we will be take and give the results at the same one variable can be stored in this data, right? This is the variable value. And next one deviation. Deviation means divided by. Deviation means both value can deviations a equal to 10, b equal to 2, c equal to a divided by 2, c equal to give the result. Give the result they will be take decide into 10 to the 5 is 5. Result is it's a 5. C equal to results, it's a 5 means results. And modular operator also they will be take only give the symbols operator. And arithmetic operator, there are 5 types. Addition is the 2 digits of sum of 2 digits. Give the variable value, take variable value and store the value. And same subtractions also same variable, they will be take the values. And multiplications and same value can give the output result. Deviations and modules operators, plus, minus, subtractions and divided by can be used with integer and floating points data types. Can be used with integer and floating points data types. Operator can be unary and binary number. It will be take unary and binary operator. It will be take only for the unary and binary operators. It's a numbers take operators. Addition, subtractions, multiplications and divided by modules operators can use with the integer and floating points data types. Operator can be unary and binary operator. This is the arithmetic operator. We have to take arithmetic operator. Comments is a single line or multi-line. Special symbols or addition, subtractions, multiplication, divided by comma, semicolon, question marks, greater than, less than, equal. Okay, words, keywords, integer, float, double, char, constants, void, return, data types. Data type is a set of value together with a set of operators. Data C++ data type into three categories: simple and structures and pointers. Data types: simple data types, integer, floating, enumerated. Single data types, there are 9 types. Integer data types: char, short, int, long, boolean, or unsigned character, unsigned short, unsigned integer, unsigned long. This is called a simple data types. Simple data types: data range, value and memory allocate for 3 simple data types in allocate of the memory. Store in the memory. Store in the memory. A different compiler many allow a different range of values. Data values, data types, values, stores range, different compilers values of integer. Integer value, positive or negative value, plus or minus, are used for separating times in a list. Boolean data types. Boolean data types, 2 values, true or false, or negative or false value, Boolean or false value, or true values. It's a true values. Character data types. Character data types, the similar smallest integer data types used for character data types. Character data types in letters, digits and special symbols. Each character is included in a single quotations. We have to write in a single quotations. Single quotations. Floating points in data types. Floating points data types. Floating points data type. C++ used to specify real numbers. Floating points, it's a real number. Real number, C++ floating points. It's a give the value of range in number. Floating points. Floating representations, any real number. Double representation, any real number. Double or long double at the same compiler data types or same. Floating points. Okay. Maximum number of specification data types, it's a decimal plus. For floating value is a 6 or 7. 6 or 7. Maximum number of signification digital for double is a 15. This is the floating or double value, right? And next to arithmetic operator. A arithmetic operator, they will be take a mathematical methods, addition, subtractions, multiplications and divided by or module. This is the take integer or floating data types in operators, unary or binary operators. They will be decided in 2 numbers in these operators. Decided in these operators. Thank you for the session.